And now, it's The Law Show on CL 650. A comprehensive look at everything you need to know about the law.
All right. So any other documents or things you need to think about? And I want to get back to the point you made. You know everything. What do you mean? What do you mean by that? You don't need to bring the documents. You know.
Oh, you already know everything.
Yeah.
As a client, you know all of your personal data. What was your date of birth?
Right.
What city were you born in?
Right.
Who are your children? How many children do your children have?
It's all the basic stuff.
All of the basic stuff. Everything that I might want to know so that I can say, I see that when you came in and you said, don't ask any questions. I already know exactly what I want to do. I want to leave everything to Susie. Now you've told me about Johnny. Well, tell me a little bit more about Johnny, because maybe Johnny's going to make a claim after you pass away. So these questions, yes, it's personal and I'm very inquisitive, but when we get down to it, it protects the client. So the client will come with preconceived notions about how the interview might go. And I like to just have a conversation about what their life looks like, who the people in their life are and what they mean to them, and what their assets are, and what would be their big ask of the way that it's distributed after they pass. What would be their perfect world?
Do people withhold information from you? They're trying to... What do you have to say about that?
People have tried to withhold information from me, but, that would be my ex-husband probably, right? It doesn't last very long. No, I shouldn't joke. But, sometimes people really do feel that it's a very private matter, but I find that less and less often as the years go by. And my style is very casual. I'm not an intimidating three-piece suit lawyer, and people realize very quickly that when I see that they're trying to withhold or be very narrow in their answers, I'll just jump into an example from my own life. I spend a lot of time mostly with clients from blended families and who have corporate assets or significant personal assets. Those are areas that have touched my own personal life, and I'll just start sharing, and then clients will start sharing.
I've noticed you like to share your personal stories.
Perhaps
people relate to that, though.
People do. People do relate to it. That is actually the style that I've adopted in my practice because it helps the document be a better document for the client.